Hi,
Hi, how are you?
good and you?
I'm also good. Where are you from?
The US.
The US. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh.
From where?
Bangladesh is South Asian country.
Oh, okay.
Do you know how you look like?
What?
I said, do you know how you look like?
Are you gonna say something nice or?
No, I want to say you look like Mona Lisa.
Oh, I got that a lot when I was younger. I've been told that before.
You thought that before? You look like Mona Lisa?
Yeah, yeah, that's who they say I look like.
Oh, it means I'm a good thinker, right?
Oh, thinker. Oh, yes.
When you're smiling, your smiling face look like Mona Lisa.
Yeah, I've been told that.
So someone tell you that before?
Yes,
Oh, okay. What's your name?
it says up there.
Leo. Leo. Okay, nice name. Do you love football?
Do I love football?
Yeah. You love it?
No.
No, so sad, so sad. A great player in football. His first name is Leo. Do you know him? No? Leo Messi?
No, I have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never heard of that person.
Okay. You should know him because he is a great player all over the world. And
Oh,
he is from Argentina.
oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah.
Which state do you live in US?
Oh, I don't say that.
Okay. How I am look like? Hey, look at me. How I am look like with these glasses?
They look cool.
Cool. Okay. If I send you my glasses, will you take it?
No, it's okay. You
Why
keep
no?
them.
Why no? Please explain. Why no? It's so expensive.
Yeah.
This glasses price is $2,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, $2,000.
Why so expensive?
Yeah. So I told you that I gonna send you my glasses if you want it.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Your hair is so beautiful. You have nice hair.
Thank you.
Welcome. So can you move back a little bit if you don't mind?
Why?
Nothing. I wanna just see you. I wanna just see you here. I wanna
No,
see.
it's okay.
Okay. I wanna see how you look like with your nice hair. So I said, please move back a little bit.
No, it's alright.
Do you have chicken?
I have a chicken now.
Do you have bird in your side? Bird.
Oh, what?
Some chicken are making noise there. Making
No,
noise there.
it's a bird. Bird.
Bird. Oh, okay.
Birds.
Okay, can you show me? Can you show me them?
No, they're not close by. They're
Oh,
far.
okay. You are really a good person. Thank you for giving me your time.
You're welcome.
It's time to say goodbye because I'm gonna join another wiki.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so bye.